This snake, a black-banded sea krait, has venom 10 times stronger than a cobra and a flexible body so it can squeeze into crevices on the reef to look for prey. Yet hunting fast prey is not one of its abilities. It's slow with poor eyesight, hardly the deadliest of assassins. If only it were fast and agile. Like these bluefin trevally, they rely on sheer speed to catch their prey. But these two struggling species have found a solution. They work as a team. The trevally leads, indicating places where prey could be hiding, which the snake then investigates. Soon they are an army. The trevally find a target. The snakes head in, and the trevally cover the escape routes. There's nowhere left to hide. The trevally catch the fish that are flushed out, and the snake eats anything left inside. Each species benefits from the partnership. The hunts are so successful that they attract hundreds of trevally and snakes. Innovation and teamwork are critical to success in these competitive waters.